Hello guys, welcome back to a quick tutorial on Photoshop, and today we will talk about how to make a realistic clothes mockup. We will go from this image into this fully usable customizable mockup that you can reuse forever. This will upgrade your mockup game to the next level. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, here we are in Photoshop, and let's make a new file. Let's click this, and we will make a 3000 by 3000 with 300 resolution file. Okay, let's hit create, and now we will insert our design into this mockup. You just drag and drop your image like this and hit enter. I create this image using ChatGPT. If you want to go ahead and try it yourself, here's the prompt. Okay, next we will create a square for the base of our design. Go here to the square rectangle tool and create a rectangle. Now we will adjust the size and make it 2000 by 2000 pixel. Sorry, 2000. Alright, next we will turn it into a smart object by right clicking the layer and choose convert to smart object. Right, now we'll rename it into design. Now once we have our square, we will need to adjust the perspective and placement according to the t-shirt, right? Now we will lower the opacity down to 40% and we will hit Command T or Control T, just like this. We will resize the square first, put it where you want it to be, and right click. Now we will choose Distort. Adjust the anchor point of the square to have the perspective match with the t-shirt. This is very easy. Just like this, and now we will hit enter. Right, the perspective is better now, but as you can see, this t-shirt have a lot of wrinkles and our design is perfectly square, which is unrealistic. Next we will hit Command T again, right click and choose warp. Here we can warp our image to have the design kind of match with the flow of the t-shirt. You can hold Command to add more point so that you can adjust the warping point more precisely, just like this. Warp again, warp again. This we can warp again. Here also can move this and this. And maybe this one. Okay, now hit enter. This is better, a little bit better. And now we will have to mask our square so that this part right here is gone. Let's choose the pen tool over here. Right click, pen tool. Let's zoom in and let's make the selection for the mask. Just like this. Okay. Now go to the first point and make selection. Hit enter. Now we have our selection. To make the mask, we will go down here to the mask tool. This is the mask icon, and you can just click it. And now we will invert the mask by pressing Command I. Great, now our rectangle is placed correctly. And the next thing that we will do is to bring the shadows and highlight of the t-shirt into the design. To do that, we can select this layer right here, the best layer. Let's select a quick selection tool right here and select the white t-shirt. Next, we will press Command J or Control J to duplicate. Do it one more time, and let's move it up above the design layer. Now we will clip this two layer into our design layer. To do that, hold Option and hover your cursor between the layer and click. One more time, click, just like that. Let's rename this layer to shadows and this other one to highlights. Let's hide the highlight first and let's work on the shadow. First, we need to change the layer mode into multiply. Double click on the layer And now we will play with the layer style so that we only select the shadow part of the t-shirt. To do that, we will move this slider right here to the left. As you can see, the highlight is slowly fading out as we move it towards the dark, right? Let's start right here. And now we will hold Option and move one of the sliders to have a more smoother transitions towards the shadows. Just like that. Hit Enter, and now you have your shadows. And now for the highlights, we will change the layer mode into screen and double click on the layer. Now instead of moving the bright slider, we will move the dark slider. So let's move it to the right, just like this, and hold Option again and smooth out the transition, just like that. Okay, hit Enter, and now we can insert our designs into the smart object. To do that, simply double click on the smart object layer and drag and drop your design. For this one, I have this cute duck right here, which I create using ChatGPT also. And now we will save the file. Hit Command S or Control S, or you can go up here and save. Now we will close this file, and look, our duck is on the t-shirt. Very cool, right? If you feel like the highlight is too strong, you can go to the highlight layer and lower the opacity down so that the highlight is not that strong. Okay, just like that. Good. Now you have your mockup ready. To maximize your productivity and time, you can pair this mockup with bulk mockup plugins, where you can create hundreds of mockups within minutes. More on that on our website bulkmockup.com. Go ahead and check it out. I guess that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.